Okay, so I wanted to take a minute to explain to you how you can use either a graphing calculator or a scientific calculator to assist you when working with fractions. Sometimes fractions can really cause some problems for us, so it's nice to be able to have the calculator to support that work. So with your graphing calculator, if this is the calculator that you're using, there's this wonderful button that says Math on it right here, and that's going to help you with your fractions. So you're going to begin with typing some sort of statement into your calculator, perhaps something like 2 minus 2/3. Oftentimes I suggest to students to use your parentheses just to ensure that the calculator understands that this is indeed your fraction. So once you type in this command, before you hit enter, you're going to come up to the math button and hit enter on the math button. When that menu pops up, the first option will be fraction or some abbreviation of the word fraction. You'll hit enter so that it then will show on the screen next to what you typed in, there will be an arrow and then the word fraction. Once that pops up, you're going to hit enter one more time, and that will tell the calculator to actually do the calculations that you stated, and then leave the answer in fraction form. So that's the first way that you can tackle these fractions. The second way is with the scientific calculator. There's this button over here. It's called our ABC button because it's got an A, B, and C on it. What this one does is it allows us to type in the fractions and replace fraction bars with a press of that button. So if I want to type in the number, say 3 2/3, nice mixed number. On the scientific calculator, I would type in the number 3, then I would go and hit the ABC button. And what will display on the screen is a little backwards L. Then I type in the number 2, then I hit my ABC button again, I would get another L, and then I could type in the number 3 and hit enter. The calculator will recognize that as 3 2/3. Now, if I want to actually perform an operation with it, perhaps then I want to type in minus 6 and hit enter, and it will give me the correct answer in fraction form. So that's two ways that you can work with your calculators. You can also work with Excel if you're more comfortable with Excel. If you need another option, please feel free to contact me, and I will be happy to find a way for you to work with technology when it comes to our fractions.